Hare Krishna. Dear devotees, I wanted to show you all something that is really interesting and very, very striking. What you can see here is the Bhajan Kutir of Srila Prabhupada in Mayapur Dham. This is the first structure that ever came up in Mayapur. In 1970s, this was the only structure in Mayapur Dham. This was International Society for Krishna Consciousness headquarters, this hut, costing thousands of, just literally hundreds and thousands of rupees, that's it. So Srila Prabhupada stayed here, did his bhajan here. The deities of Radha Madhav were worshipped here. The small Archa Vigraha of Radha Madhav was worshipped here. So this hut is literally the start of ISKCON Mayapur, or the International Society's headquarters, ISKCON's headquarters. And what is coming up now, just next to this hut, is a temple of Vedic planetarium that you can see, which is, it's almost about completion. It is worth thousands of millions of dollars, $1,000 million. So where is this hut from where ISKCON started? It's just worth 1,000 rupees, and now ISKCON is coming up with the international temple of Vedic planetarium, costing millions and millions of dollars. This, I feel, these two structures show the journey of ISKCON from hut to this palatial temple. This journey is the journey of Srila Prabhupada's devotion, his faith. Srila Prabhupada started with practically nothing. You can see this was the hut that Srila Prabhupada started ISKCON Mayapur. Practically nothing, as beggars. And now ISKCON is about to inaugurate the biggest temple, the biggest religious structure in the entire world. So this shows how Srila Prabhupada was a great pure devotee of the Lord. All his desires were fulfilled. And it also shows how if we have faith, like Srila Prabhupada in the chanting of the holy names, in the Sankirtan movement, even if we are very poor, if you don't have any resources, Krishna will definitely give. Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna Tatra Partha Dhanurdhara Tatra Shrir Vijayo Bhuti Dhruva Nitir Matir Mama. If you just continue to perform bhakti to Krishna and service to the Vaishnavas, all wealth, all opulence will come. So this is the story of success of Srila Prabhupada, of ISKCON, from a hut to a palatial temple of Vedic planetarium. Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ki jai, Sankirtan movement ki jai, Param Vijayate Shri Krishna Sankirtanam.